Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove a friend from Snapchat. Whether you no longer want to stay connected or just need to clean up your friend list, I'll guide you through the steps. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your main screen, you can see Bitmoji or profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. This will open your profile. Scroll down until you see My Friends. Here it is. Tap on it. This will display your entire friend list. Scroll through your friend list or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to remove. Once you found a friend, tap on their name. This will open the chat. Then tap on their Bitmoji or profile and this will open their profile. There you can see 3 dots on top right corner. Tap on it and you will see an option of manage friendship on second option. Tap on it. It displays 4 options over there. First is block, second is report, third is remove friend and fourth is edit name. We are going to remove the friend, so tap on remove friend. A pop-up will appear if you are sure you want to remove this friend. Tap on remove and confirm it. Now the person will no longer be on your friend list and you won't see the stories snap unless they are public. Let's head back and check it up in my friend list, and that's it. You have successfully removed a friend from Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.